In this movie, I introduced Community Builder, which is a Joomla component extension that makes it possible to build quite sophisticated online communities using Joomla. Probably a good place to start is the publisher's website, Joomopolis, right here. Go ahead and go to the website and then click on the Community Builder tab to go to this page. If you scroll down to the bottom of this page, there's a tab here called Demo and Screenshots. So you can see some screenshots of both the user view and the admin view. Clicking on the first slide, this takes you to the registration page. This is how the registration to your community will look like. Next, we have a sample profile with the user menu along the top. Here is a communication system built in that lets your users communicate with each other. Here's a picture of a public member list. Another profile page. Yet another profile page here. Here is a report user feature where your users can report abuse by other members. And then moderate images. You can moderate images before they're actually published to your community. Probably, however, the best way to get a feel for this tool is to click on the View the Live Demo link right here on this page. That'll take you to a live site, a live running Joomla site with the Community Builder component built in. Here we have a custom profile page. You can see hits, online status, activity in the community, forum ranking, connections, total posts, opinions. Over here we have contact info, articles they've written, forum post, connections to other members, profile book, profile gallery, and so on. An even better way to learn about this tool is to create a sample website. So that's what I've done here. This is a Joomla 1.5 site running Community Builder. Here you have new listings, popular members, who's currently online. You have also latest login of the members, random members, updates from the members. I can also log in. If I go into the login area, I think I've already logged in here. I have details for my profile here. In this case, I have my home listing. As a member of this community, you can add your home. I've got the ability to edit my listing. I've also got private messaging area that I can send private messages to other members of the community. Here is the compose tool to let me compose emails. Here's my inbox for other previous messages that I've gotten. I can form groups as well. Here are my groups. Make connections with other members. If I go back to the home page, I can join a group as well as look at existing groups that have been formed and perhaps join them. I can do that up here from the main menu, join a group. Here is the landing page for this feature. I can also search for a group or create my own group. Now probably an even better way to learn this tool is to go into the back end, the Joomla back end, which I've done here. Here's the back end to that front end site that I was just showing you. If you click on the components link here, you'll notice that there is a Community Builder component that'll take me to the back end of this tool. Notice that there's a lot of configuration here done from these tabs. This is again one of the downsides of Community Builder is it's very full featured, but there's a lot to set up, there's a lot to learn. So here you have a tool for managing Community Builder members. Here you can manage all those tabs that I showed you. Remember, each profile has a set of tabs along the top. Those tabs in my case contained member info, exchange details, portrait, photos, home features, private messages, forums, and so on. You also have a tool for managing fields. These are the fields that the users, your members, will fill in to share information with the other members of your community. In this case, last visit date, register date, forum rank, interests, website, age, number of previous exchanges, when they want to travel, where they want to travel, and so on. You can see that there's quite a number of these. This is one of Community Builder's strengths, is you can really customize your user profile by requiring them or asking them to fill in all of this information here. You also have something called list management, where you can control lists that you can generate to find members. Here's a list of my California members. Here's a list of all my new members. You have plugin management. Remember, this component also has extensions called plugins. Here is a plugin for my templates, my Luna template, my dark template, the way that this will appear to members. Here is a private messaging system plugin. Here's a plugin, What Are You Doing Now? Profile Gallery. This is a custom tool for customizing your profiles. In fact, there's two of them. One of the ways that you can get to customize these profiles that I showed you is using these tools. So this is a custom profile with location, picture, member information there. Continuing my tour of the Community Builder backend, you also have a Tools tab. This Tools Manager lets you load sample data and monitor it, synchronize your users. This will synchronize the Joomla user table with the Community Builder table. You can check Community Builder database, you can check the CB plugins database, and so on. You also have a configuration tab. This too will give you an appreciation of just how much configuring you'll probably want to do, and in some cases need to do, to get Community Builder working the way you want it to. Let me now move on to the next movie and review some of the more important configuration settings here in this very detailed and involved set of tabs for configuring Community Builder.